Welcome. In this video lesson we will analyze the working principle of inventory in the game. Make sure that at every click on we got a coin in the inventory. The first thing I'll do is create an object on a stage I'm going to click on. To do this, go to the object. Choose primitive. And let it be a sphere. It white now. I want to change for her material. I want it to be, for example, red. Select material to do this. Select the materials section. And add new material. In its settings, let's get him some red color. Press insert to apply to our target. Let's move him a little closer. So great. Next move, I'll pick again object on stage. And in section modifiers I will add modifier actionable. This modifier will do so that when we look at the object in the specified radius, will be possible interact with this object. Let's point 5 meters. That is, if the player will go to the object and will be on it watch within a 5 meter radius, he'll be able to interoperate. Following the action will create the object for inventory. Open assets. Choose inventory item. Click add assets. And here inventory item. Now let's customize it. For example coin. And edit. Here you can specify a description. That is, when the player will point the cursor at an object in the inventory, he can read its description. Next you can select an icon for this subject. But before you choose icon, we need to add a picture to files of our game. So we can further to select it. Click add assets and image. And after we uploaded the picture, press insert. And to our subject for this picture was used. By the following action, let's create a script that will respond to interaction with our object. And give out coins at each click on object. To do this, open asset. Script. And add a new script. I'll call it coin manager. And the first action is the event. That will trigger our chain script every time as a player interacts with the object. Write an event and choose action. With the following action, make sure that in our inventory hit a coin. For this we will take the current number of coins that we have. And add to it number 1. We write inventory. And here click get. In the list select the inventory object that we just created. This is coin. And with us the count field appears. The next action, select number plus. That is, add. And also take the set inventory block. Choose coin. And let's make connections. Hold link from event to inventory set block. And tie the result to the input value to set a new quantity of this variable. And we'll make a connection here. That means every time we interact with the object, we will set coin item new a value, which will be old coin value, to which we add the number 1. Our script ready. Let's close it. All that left to do. It to this object bind just created a script. Select a script in modifiers. And select the script we just created. This coin manager. Click insert. Let's start our game and check out our code. Open inventory. As you can see now we have no coins. Let's go to our sphere. Press the key E. And as you can see, here are coins. Every time I click, there they go again. Actually, you can do the same with taking away the player's coins. On this lesson finished. Thank you for watching. If you still have some questions, make their comments. I'll try answer them. Good luck.